Yo, we back. So, I got everything unraveled. And I'm trying to see where I'm gonna mount this. Do I want to mount it on this side? If I mount it on this side, the fan plugs are not gonna reach the fan.
Okay.
So if I mount it on that side, then it's gonna be the same. Everything gonna be connected on that side. It's gonna be the same, but I don't know. If I mount it here, or take this tray out and mount it over here somewhere, it's gonna go all the way around, but they're gonna be too short to come back to the fans. If I mount it on that side over there by the battery, then everything will be connected over there, but I'd have to bring the fans. The fans. Wow. The wires somewhere around here? I don't know. So let's try it on this side. Let's go over there. Hold on. So y'all know that the battery is coming out and it's going to the back. So yeah, I can ground them right here on this boat right here. I can ground there. Ground these. Put them here. I still don't know where I'm gonna mount that. Or mount it here, I guess. But I'm gonna have an extended amount of wires. Like it's gonna be like these are the harness wires. Yeah, those two go together, and these two go together. This is fan 2. That's fan 1. Yeah, I don't know. I don't know. I'm trying to really figure out how I'm gonna mount this. I don't want to mount it anywhere on this fender wall because I'm scared. Close the door! Because I'm scared that if I put a screw through it, I'm scared that, I might bounce down and hit the screw with the tire or something, and then I got a whole nother issue. So, yeah, I don't know about that. But I'm really trying to figure it out, though. Could I mount it up front up here somewhere? No, I don't want to do that. So, yeah. Let me figure this out, and I'll hit y'all right back. Alright, so I can't mount it over here because the grounds that's on there, if I was to ground them right there, they ain't gonna reach back over here because they right on the plugs for the cord. Plugs for the fan. So that ain't gonna work. So let's go back. Let's go back to the driver's side, see if we can find a mounting point, and go from there. What's that? Oh, that's the plastic piece. Yeah, let's go and see if we can find a mounting point over here somewhere. And yeah, let's try that. Cause I could mount it right there on that fender. I guess I could. But is it gonna stay? Feel what I'm saying? Let's go see. Let's go check it out. Yeah. So if I mount it here, I wonder can I mount it there? Like right here. That'll be sticking out too far though, wouldn't it? Hit it right there. Put some self-tapping screws in that thing. Mount it right there. And then I'm gonna have to run my wires under this shroud somewhere. Like under the shroud to the other side. Or under, like loom them and run them under here some kind of way. run them through here, run them all the way across. I could do that. Nah, not really, because the plug wire still gotta come out. So I would have to run the plug wires down through here somewhere. I'm tripping, I got y'all sideways. I would have to run the plug wires down through here some kind of way, and then run all the other wires that way. Okay, let's just temporarily mock something up real quick, and then I'll be back. Cause I gotta splice into these fan wires anyway. I gotta splice into those. This one I gotta cut this one. Cut this connector off right here. Yeah, I probably can't see it. Hold on. Cut this connector off and hook to that one, and then that one down there don't even have a connector. Like, it just plugs straight into the fan. So I'm gonna have to get up under the car and see what kind of wires on that, and then see what I got. See how to connect the fan wires to that one. So we got a blue and we got a green. Okay, all right, y'all. Y'all know I don't like this wiring. I don't like this wiring, but we gotta get it done. So I already read the instructions. Look at y'all face. I already read the instructions. Just gotta figure out mounting and placement. That's all I gotta figure out. So let me try to figure something out real quick, and then I hit y'all right back. Well, I got these loop things right here. They might work on the fans. I might can run like that. Let me check it out. I'm gonna hit y'all right back. Yo, what's happening, man? It's your dog, Big Below, Mr. Man himself. Man, I'm coming to here. Just look, I just had to make my own little commercial real quick, man. Hey, look, if you haven't already, I know y'all done seen the new face of the channel. You know what I'm saying? They got that join button up there, man. Hey, go ahead and explore that join button, man. Become a member of the BeeloNation, man. We got 3 levels: $2.99, $6.99, and $9.99. We got Nation, we got Big Nation, and we got Ain't Gang. You know what I'm saying? They all have their separate perks, which Ain't Gang has its own perks, and all of the perks from the other 2 tiers. So yeah, man, if you haven't done that already, go ahead and explore that join button, man, and yeah, enjoy some of these nice perks, man, that your dog gonna set out for y'all, man. But yeah, that being said, man, let's get back to the video. Alright, y'all, so this is just a mock-up. You know what I'm saying? These are the fan connectors that's gonna plug into the pigtails. So I ran these this way, which I'm probably gonna run it up under all this stuff, and so it can be right here. I got these little aluminum things right here, so it'll move it out the way. I just gotta find the ground. And running these wires, I'm gonna run these wires through here, and then run them across over there to all the battery hookups and all that good stuff. So yeah, I'm gonna have to figure. Yeah, this is all the power connections right here. So yeah, I can run those through there. But the fan relay is gonna be over here somewhere though. Like, the whole relay box is gonna be on this side, and I'm gonna run it around there, out the way, so it won't be, you know what I'm saying? Try to get it clean. Try to get it clean like my dog Brian Ike dog. But yeah, that's what I'm gonna do. So let me get this together, and let's see. Yeah, get this together. Run these through here like how I want to. Bring them out on this side over there. Hook them up to what they need to be hooked to. And then I'm gonna come back and try to do those I'm gonna come back and try to do those the wiring for the pigtails, because like I said, that fan over there, which is the primary fan, my passenger side fan is my primary fan. So that fan is it doesn't have, like, I don't see, it don't have wires exposed like this one. Like it's only just a connector to it. So I'm gonna have to go in there and try to find the wires or whatever, or I might just butt off that connector that's already on there. I don't know. I know I'm gonna have to get up on the car though, which I didn't plan on doing that today. But yeah, so BP Automotive, man. So fan harness. Let's see. Yep. Like this. So them wires can be you know, everything is on its side, on the side that it came in, so it ain't twisted all up and all that. Yep. Well, I might take this tray out, hook it like that. It don't matter. I mean, it's more than enough wire to do what I need to do. So let me go and run them, and I'm gonna hit y'all right back. Yeah. So this is what we have. I got it ran, like I said, coming out on the side of the battery right here. This is a power source right here. So this is where that'll go. And then I got them running from over there, from that corner, all the way across to here. So the wires are gonna have to be, these wires are gonna have to be extended. The pink, the blue, and the green wires are gonna have to be extended. Both of these pink wires go to this one pink wire, and then you got your blue to blue and green to green. Loom all that up, make that look pretty. I'm probably not finna do it today because I don't want to mismatch these wire colors. So I might just go and buy all of the color wire that I need. It ain't like I'm about to use the fans today or tomorrow, so this video will be continued. But as far as the fans go, I'm about to go ahead and take these pigtails out. I'm gonna put that pigtail on that fan over there and connect it. I'm gonna loom that up too as well, because I don't want nothing being wild up on there. I don't need no wild wires up on here at all. I got enough wild shit going on up on here, so I don't want nothing else wild up on here. I need to know where everything is, where everything goes. So I'm gonna take that. I'm finna take that and reroute it under all that, so it won't be on top of that hose and all that. Reroute that and loom it. And I'm gonna use those little whatever you call those. I don't even know what you call them, but just like, it's like loom holders or whatever, I guess, wire holders or whatever. Run them through there with the loom, plug them up, and then the only thing I have left to do is find me a ground for those black wires, and that'll be pretty much it. So let me go ahead and put a pigtail on this side. Like I said, I'm probably have to get under the car on this fan, on the primary fan, because I don't see a wire that's connected to that other than the pigtail itself. That's kind of crazy, I think, but hey, I didn't make the cars, man. It's crazy. This is for that refill jug, for the factory refill jug. So yeah, let me see how this gonna go. Look like it's finna be a pain in my ass, is what it look like. But we gonna make it work though. We gonna make it work. Let me start cutting. That's the fun part. Hey man, y'all look at this. So this is for my primary fan. And I'm trying to put this in the light. So maybe y'all, hopefully I can see something in the camera that y'all, well, nah. It's 2 black wires on this plug that go to the primary fan. So I don't know which one hot and which one ground. So I'm gonna have to test them. Know what I'm saying? To even, man, it's crazy. This crazy. I'm gonna have to, I guess I'm gonna have to test it from one of these batteries around here or something. So test from the car battery here. But I gotta, just crazy. Like, who thought of this? Like, they ain't put no stripe on it or nothing. It's just 2 black wires. No positive indicator, no negative, no nothing. Just, wow. All right, let me test this right quick, y'all. I hit y'all back. All right, y'all, so I have my little jumper wires over here. Ran into that plug that is coming out. That's part of the headlight harness. So, my headlight harness is fine, which it ain't gonna even matter now because none of that is gonna be hooked up. So, yeah, got that hooked up. And the fan going in the direction that it's supposed to be going in. So I'm gonna go ahead, I guess, and put that other pigtail on. You know what I'm saying? Get it all loomed up and everything. And that'll be it. I just need to know because, like I said, I didn't know, being that both of those wires are black, I didn't know how to hook up, you know what I'm saying, what was the hot and what was the power, ground. So got that done. And that's gonna be done on it, man. Y'all probably see the pigtails on and all that stuff in another video. Man, I'm finna go and wrap this thing up, man. I'm getting tired. It's 9 o'clock. About to go in here and get me a shower, get in the bed, man. But yeah, I will come back with the other wiring too. This wiring here, like this wire is gonna go in that box right there. This wire gonna go in the box. This wire goes to that blue wire. That's a green wire here. It goes to this green wire, and both of these pink wires go to this pink wire. And that's gonna tell the that's gonna tell the fans what to do off of the BP automotive harness, man. So yeah, got that done. It's another thing down. Yeah, it's your dog, man. It's your dog, Big B, Mr. I Ain't a Man himself. I'll catch y'all in the next one, man.